Hey Josh, I appreciate your asking questions about your program sheet because it lets us get ahead and make sure that we're going to give you the right courses. The EDS program is actually probably going to change this year. We're counting on it to do so. Right now it's going through some curricular approval processes in the university and the university system that we hope will be finished by the end of the summer, so that by the beginning of the fall we can enact the new program. And here's what the new program will look like. I'm looking at your program sheet, and I've done a few modifications. One thing I did, if you've been to this program sheet before, is I removed the school library media classes from this program sheet because they're confusing. There's still a few, like this one's here, and yeah, there's another one there, but I didn't remove them from there, but I removed them from the core courses. And then I added this class to the core. So let me talk about the core really quickly. The core was 5 classes, but it's now going down to 4. So how is it going down to 4? Well, we're removing program evaluation, and we are removing research from the core. And so what this means is that now in the electives, y'all have to take 5 classes. So the core was 5 classes and the electives were 4, but actually it's now the core is now 4. Let's put that there, and the electives are 5. So what we're going to do is we're going to take your current research class and we're going to make that an elective. So that's where that will count. You're taking that right now, and that's a great class to have taken. And as for program evaluation, you just won't take it. You were slated to take that in fall of 2019, but now you're going to take our new course, Human Performance Improvement, in the fall of 2019. I put that here. I don't know what the course name will. It will likely be this first option right here, MEDT 7485, Human Performance Improvement. And that'll be offered for the fall, taught by Dr. Arrington. And then in terms of your 5 electives that you need now, you've got 1 done. You'll take Intro to Distance Ed in the summer. You're currently taking assessing, and you've taken visual, and you are currently taking research. So you've just got 1 elective left, and then you've got 2 core classes left. You've got Leading and Managing and Human Performance. So this summer you'll also take Leading and Managing, and in fall you'll take 1 class. If you prefer to have 1 class this summer, you could just you could shift Leading and Managing over to the fall. You could probably also shift Intro to Distance Ed over to the fall instead. I think you have that kind of flexibility on both of those to decide if you wanted to have 1 in the summer and 2 in the fall. The only one that can't be shifted is Human Performance Improvement. You'll see it's not on the summer right now. It's not on the fall either, but it will be offered for fall 2019. There will currently be, we're planning to have 1 section open, so please try to get in there and just register the first day of registration. But I anticipate we'll actually open more sections as the needs demonstrate we need to do that. All right, so those are the changes. Thank you for checking in and helping me to make sure that you're going to have a doable program and program sheet. So let me know what questions you have. Thank you.